There's Apollo. There's Jasmine. There's Apollos. There's Amberly. Whoa, my goodness. My goodness, there's Missy. Oh, who else do we have? Bonus. Oh, there's Bo. There's Bo. Yeah, he's a handsome boy. Oh, there's Apollo. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Get up on your mama. Yeah, that's a way to get up. Yeah, that's a way to get up. All right. There's Bo. It's Bo. Apollo. Right down there. She's a good girl. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, Apollo. This is our beautiful male, Apollo. He's my son's favorite. He doesn't want to give him up. Uh-oh. The baby got into the cupboard. And now the puppy's wanting to. Uh-oh! Hello! My goodness! Oh, my! Oh! Uh-oh. Hey, come on, little guys. Oh, there's Kimberly. Oh, come on, little guys. Oh, hi, Jasmine. Oh, you sweet girl. Oh, look. There's Aurora. There's Aurora. Yeah, there's Aurora. Hi. Oh, goodness. This is a horrible video. There's Jasmine. Off. No. Leave the baby alone. Come on. Up. Get off. Whoa! This is Kyle. He's our disabled son. And he has Aurora. That's Aurora. She's a beautiful princess. And there's Apollo. And there's Asia. God has brought a great